Experiencing high CPU usage with Diagnostic Policy Service on Windows 11? I'll share fixes to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for solutions to ensure your system's performance is optimized. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to launch Task Manager. Locate the Diagnostic Policy Service under Windows Processes, right-click, and select End Task from the context menu. Tick the checkbox for Abandon Unsaved Data and Shutdown and click on the Shutdown button. Press the Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and click OK. Locate and double-click on the Diagnostic Policy Service to view its properties. Click on the Stop button to terminate the service, and click on OK at the bottom. Again, press Windows plus R to launch the Run command. Paste the following address in the text field, and hit Enter.c Windows System. 32 SRU click Continue in case a confirmation box pops up. Locate and select the srootb.dat file, and hit the del key to delete it. Press the Windows key plus I to launch the Settings app, and select Windows Update in the left pane. Click on Check for Updates to scan for any available newer versions of the OS. If any are available, download and install them on your computer. Press Windows plus S to launch the search menu. Enter Windows Terminal in the text field at the top, right-click on the relevant search result, and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. Click Yes on the UAC, User Account Control prompt that pops up. Next, click on the downward arrow at the top and select Command Prompt from the list of options. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus 2 to launch the Command Prompt tab. Paste the following command and hit Enter to execute it. sfc/scano. Once the sfc scan is complete, paste the following command and hit Enter to run the DISM tool. Wait for the DISM tool to run and then restart the computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.